Hello everybody, welcome. Thank you very much for watching this video. In this video I am going to show you exactly what to do so that you can start selling thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of your products, right? So instead of saying when is it going to be my turn, or how wish I can be this and that, I'm going to show you exactly how you too can start making sales. Right now, the first thing I want you to observe now is that most of the things I'm going to show you now, you're going to see that most of these business owners, they are using videos, right? And I'm going to tell you why they are using videos in a minute. But let's come back here and let me show you a trend that a lot of people are using but they're not talking about, so that you see what's happening in the marketplace. Okay, all right. Now if you look here, you're going to see that this is a video that this person is using, NG Beauty Home 2020. You can see that this is a sponsored ad that's still running here. You can see that this is an ad. If you notice here, you're going to see that this is a video ad, because I see a lot of business owners who are putting pictures there thinking that they will make sales. If you're going to use pictures to sell, you need to have a very good copywriting behind your Facebook ad. But when you use videos, it's easier for you to sell, right? Now look at these people, they're using videos to sell this product. Okay, let me show you another person who is using videos. This is another product, Top Sale. If you look here, you're going to see that these people are also using videos to sell. Do you understand? So I'm showing you all these things so that you see the importance of videos and why videos are what important in this world. In fact, let me go back to the first one and show you something. If you look here, you're going to see that there was over what, 273 comments, 273 people interested in this product. So imagine how much money you're going to make if you can get people like this wanting to buy your product. This is another one. Look at 36 people. Let me show you another person using videos. Now these ones are selling beard growth kits. Now look at this. It's videos that every one of them is what using. Can you see? Can you see? They're using what? Videos. Now if you are thinking that this is a white person that is selling this product, wait, let's go to the website. You're going to see that this is not a white person. If I click on shop now, it's going to take me to the website, and this is where you're going to see the beard growth kit. You're going to, if you come down here, you're going to see that they're selling for 30,000 naira. Look at the phone number, it's a Nigerian phone number. So this is pure, this is a Nigerian who's selling that using what? Videos. Now let's go to the Facebook advertising library. This is a Nigerian lady I like really well. She's doing absolutely well. She sells skincare products. Look at what she's doing.
Hi guys, my name is Mo of Indigo Glow Skin Laser and Spa. Guys, I came with the big bump for you this time. Are you like me that 1 minutes and then you wash up?
Now
I'm begging you.
Now you see from what I've shown you, I've shown you about 3 or 4 different business owners who are using videos. Now the reason why videos sell is because with video it's easy for you to see the person you are buying from. With videos it's easy for you to trust the person, because if somebody is trying to sell you a skincare product, you will want to see the person who is trying to sell to you. Is the person a proof? Look at, from what you are seeing now, this lady is fair and she's selling what? Lightening products, natural skin tone product that's going to make you fair. So imagine that you're the one that wants to buy. Won't you buy? Because you're seeing the person who is selling it, she's talking about the product, and you can see that she's fair. So obviously the product is working on her. That way it's easy for her to what? Sell. Do you understand what I'm saying? So videos sell. I mean, think about it. That's why people used to invest in television adverts back in the days when it wasn't so expensive and all. Because when you do video adverts, television adverts, people will see your face, people will know you, people will be able to trust you, right? If you don't know me, look at me. I'm a very big fan of, skincare. This is me here. This is me. I take care of my skin. In fact, this is my Instagram. This is my Instagram, Paddy Ransom over here. You can follow me if you want. You can see that I'm a very big fan of skincare. In fact, if you look over here, this is another of my Instagram account where I'm doing skincare products, where I'm doing skincare facials, right? So I know how important this thing is, right? How do you think I started working with this person who is working on my skincare here? I saw her products. Do you understand? So it's very important to use videos. If you even look here, you're going to see another person. This is Optimum Foodie. She's selling weight loss products or weight loss information. You can see how she's using videos to sell. Look at videos here to sell, videos here
Hi
to
there.
sell, because videos work. You understand? There's a framework, there's a script for what to say, how to say it in the videos, but the point is videos work. Do you understand? And then if you look at this other lady here, she's selling hair products. Look at what she's doing. She's not even talking too much. She is just putting the price of the product there. She puts a video showing you the product that you are going to get, and then look at the price. The price is there, and then she has put her phone number there. So think about it. Somebody who is interested in buying does not even need to think twice. Number one, you have seen the hair that you want to buy. It's not like they just put picture. You've seen the hair that you want to buy. You have seen the person selling it. You have seen her phone number. If you are interested, all you have to do is call her. And it's very, very simple. You see, most times people think that when it comes to selling online that it is hard. You must have a website, have this and that. It's not compulsory. You understand? What people want to see is the product you are selling, is it good? The product you are selling, does it look nice? The product you are selling, is it okay? How do I trust you? Do I know that you're a real human being? You're not just a fake person. And then that's what this lady is doing. She's selling her product. She's putting the product there so that you see. Look at it. Look at this. She put another one here. Can you see? She's not even talking too much. You don't even need to talk, right? Can you imagine? And she's making her sales. She's making her sales. Look at this, 10 for 95k. I even saw one product here that she's selling for. Look at this. This product is 75k. Imagine 75k, and then she's using videos to sell it. Do you know? Do you imagine? She's making her sales. How do you know she's making her sales? She has been running this ad from February 3rd. Today that I'm recording this video is about February 9th or so. February 9th, thereabouts. 9th of February. Can you imagine? So she's obviously making sales. Why would she not be able to build house in Lekki? Why would she not be able to buy land in Banana Island? She is making her sales. Do you understand what I'm saying? So videos work. That's the first thing. Now the second thing is you need to have a sales process. A sales process is when somebody sees your ad, where do you want them to go? Do you want them to go to WhatsApp? Do you want them to go to Messenger? Do you want to send them to a landing page? Now people often confuse this. Now if you see this person here, if you finish watching this video and you want to watch it, if you click shop now, it will take you to a website where you can go and buy, fill in your details, and then they'll do delivery for you to where you are going to. See, they're not even talking too much on this page. They just explain the benefit of the product, tell you how to get it. As simple as that. If you know you will not be able to write a good copy, because if your landing page copy is not good, you are going to mess up. If you know you don't know how to write copy, then look at what these other people are doing. This one has a website. This one doesn't have a website. If you want it, you visit her Instagram, send her a DM, text her on WhatsApp, and she will sell the product for you. Very simple. See this other one, this lady. What is there is, if you are interested in a product, you only what? Send her a message. If you see her copy, you are going to see that she's writing a very good ad copy here. So that's another thing. If you're going to sell online, your copy needs to be very good. And then look at it. If you want the product, you either send her a DM on Instagram, send her a WhatsApp message, or anything you want. It's very, very simple. You understand? So we don't need to complicate this whole issue of trying to sell online and think you need a complicated website. Somebody was telling me a few days back that, Paddy, I need a sales funnel. I say you don't need any of that. Put your money behind your advert and run it. Do you understand? And that's why I've showed you every single thing today. You understand? So if you want to start making sales today, go and start creating videos about your products. People want to see what they are buying. That's number one. Then people want to also see who they are buying from. Do you understand? What they are buying. They want to see what they are buying. That's the first thing. Then they want to see who they are buying it from, because if they don't trust you, they will not buy from you. Do you understand? Who they are buying from is very important. These things are things that people don't understand. That's why they are boosting posts and then using using pictures. Thousands of other business owners are just posting pictures and they're not getting sales. Because think about it, you yourself that you're watching this now, if you want to buy products, you just see only the picture of the product. Are you not going to be doubting the seller? Do you understand? But imagine you see a video of somebody just like this one is doing here, like this now. This lady here. Imagine you are seeing a video and then she's talking about the product and she's telling you the benefit of the product and then she's explaining how you can
But
get
guys, this comes in 3 different sizes.
Imagine.
We have the big cup, we have the medium cup, and of course we have the small cup. So there's something for everybody.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And look at the strategy she's using. She has big cup for people who, you know, cannot afford the, you know, bigger size, or there's 3 different ones. There's small cup, medium cup, and so imagine, this is as simple as it gets. So what you should do right now is go and make a video showing your face, showing your product. And it's best you sell kits. I advise business owners who are in the beauty and hair, who are selling creams and all that, to sell kits, because it's easier for you to bundle a kit and say, okay, this kit that I'm selling now is 50,000 naira, or 25,000, or 30,000 naira. That way, you know that somebody who is buying a kit from you, for instance, is going to what? Give you better money. So if you are making 2-3 sales of a kit, maybe it's 50k per kit. If you are making 3-4 sales, that's like 100 and something thousand, or 200k. Do you understand? So if you are imagining, if your kit is 25k or 30k or 35k, maybe it is glow kit or lightning kit, or your bundle has a lot of products in it. Imagine that you are selling 10 every single day, and one is like maybe 25k or 35k. Imagine how much money you are going to make, instead of selling the product one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Think about it. I mean, look at these guys. Look at what they're selling, the beard growth kit. Imagine if these guys want to be selling the product one, say they want to sell this sanitizer one, sell this serum one, sell this one. Imagine, it will not even make sense. But look at it, they are selling what? Look at it. They say, look at 30,000 naira for the kit. So even if it's beauty and health product you are selling, it's better you put the kits together. So okay, this product is going to help you do this one, this second one is going to help you do this one, maybe like the sanitizer is going to do this, the cleanser is going to do this, the serum is going to do this, the glow, the whitener, everything. So everything together in this kit is only 30k. Do you understand? As long as you are doing your targeting right, which is the next thing I'm going to talk about now, you're going to do very, very well. Look at the Nigerian who is doing it. You understand? 30k. And then let's go back to the ad. This is the ad. Look at it. Over 29 people have seen it, have commented that they want it. Over 30 people have shared it with your friends. Look at it. Imagine you are paying for ad and you are getting free traffic, because 30 people who did not even pay for your ad are seeing your ad because other people are sharing it for them. Imagine how much you are going to make. Do you understand what I'm saying? So number one, start bundling your products. Use videos. Do you understand? Then you want to also bundle your products into kits. That's another strategy, so that you make more sales. Do you understand? Bundle your products, into kits. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is also very, very, very important. Now let me show you the back end, because when you're running ads, if you are boosting posts, first of all, you will not be able to get results like this person is getting. You will not be able, if you are boosting posts, you will not be able to write all these things. Do you understand? So if you are boosting posts, stop boosting posts. Let me show you exactly what to do. All right, so let's get to the back end now. So a lot of business owners, they try boosting posts, and that's a very huge mistake, because the truth of the matter is, if you are boosting posts, you are literally throwing money away. In fact, that's what you are doing. You are throwing money away. Do you understand? So the best thing to do is to run from your business manager. Right now, from your business manager, you should make sure you are selecting conversion, because you want to convert people into buyers. The reason why a lot of people are getting likes and comments on their ads is because they are selecting engagement and they are boosting posts. If you select engagement and you boost posts, you are going to get likes and comments. But if you want to make sales, you need to select conversion. Okay? Now, let's come here. This is the same strategy a Nigerian business owner used to sell 1.5 million. I told you about it in the advert. Now, let me show you what they did. They selected conversion, and they told Facebook they wanted people to buy. So they selected purchase. So when you're selecting all these things on your ad manager, make sure you're selecting conversion and select purchase as well. Then spend the right budget. This is something that's very important. I see a lot of business owners, they want to make sales, but they're spending 2k per day. See, if you ever see anybody online and you're admiring them, they're not spending 2k on ads. They're spending a lot of money because they're making it back. So imagine that you have bundled the product like I told you, right? And then your kit is maybe 25k or 30k. Now, if you are trying to sell that product with 2k, you are wasting your time. The best thing to do is either start with like 5k or 10k per day, right? Or you use the profit. Let me even show you something. Have a sales process. I said it. Have a sales process. I've spoken about how to do sales process. Like, you can either send people from your Facebook ads to your WhatsApp, send them to your inbox, or send them to a landing page, just like I showed you. Now, how much money should you spend? You can either do 5k per day and start, or 10k per day, or you use the profit-based method. Now, I'm going to explain the profit-based method now. Now, let's look at this one. Now, using the profit-based method, this is what's going to happen. If your product, the profit on your product is, let's say, 20k, for instance, you can start your campaign with 20k. Anyway, it's not advisable to start with 20k though, right? If you're running ads for the first time, you've never run ads. But if you're running with an expert, they know how to do this. Now, the reason why is because if your profit is 20k and you spend 20k for your ad, if you make, even if it's just one sale, you have gotten your profit back. Abi, if you get 2 sales, you know that, okay, you spent this amount and you got 2 sales. If you get 3 sales, you're going to be able to. Now, in fact, this business owner, they were getting up to 8-10 sales per day, and they spent $50. That's like 20k per day on the ad. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you select the right objective, then you spend the right budget, the next thing is targeting your audience, right? If you are doing delivery, make sure that you are targeting the areas that you can deliver, and you know that your delivery person is not going to mess up. They are going to deliver your product for you. Do you understand? That's very important as well. Then you want to make sure you are targeting the right age group of the people who can buy from you. You don't target people who don't have money. That's another mistake. You see people targeting people. You want to sell a product worth 30k, 50k, and you're targeting a little boy, a little girl, people who are 18 years who don't have the money to do that. So this is also very, very, very important based on the type of product you are selling, right? Now, another thing you want to also do is you want to make sure that you have a sales process like I talked about. So it's either you get them to your WhatsApp, or you get them to a form where they can fill and you follow them up. Now, these people that sold $1 million, and look at their ad copy. If you don't know how to write copy, you have to pay somebody to run your ads for you, so they write good copy for you, or you just do video. Now look at the image they use. Now if you look at this image, now you're going to notice that in this image they put the price. Now a lot of business owners are afraid to put the price because they are thinking that if they put the price, people will not buy. So even if it's your skincare kits you are putting, maybe like 5 products or 10 products, put the product there, put the price on it, so that people who cannot buy it will back off. You don't want to be talking to people who cannot afford your service or your product. So put the price there so that people who have the money, they will see it and know that, okay, I'm interested in this. It's 20k, I can afford it. Then they will send you a message. Not the people who don't have money. They will not be disturbing you and say, it's too expensive. You don't want to have that happen to you. Do you understand? So it is as simple as this. And then this we were sending people to a form, just like you saw the other time. So when you click on the ad, you come to a form, you tell them your name, your phone number, where you want them to deliver it, and after that they'll send you to a page where you can send them a message on WhatsApp in case you have more questions. Do you understand? So that's how those people actually sold 1.5 million in 10 days. Think about that. Imagine how much money you're going to make if you could start selling that. Do you understand? So this is exactly how and everything you need to know about selling products online. So make sure that you are using videos, make sure that you have a sales process sorted out, make sure you're spending the right budget, make sure your targeting is okay, make sure your objective is okay, and I'm pretty sure you're going to make really good sales, right? So that's it. That's how to do it, right? I don't want to make this video any longer than it already is, right? So if you have any questions or you need any help with running your own Facebook ads, all you have to do is just send me a DM on Instagram and we can talk about it, okay? It's very, very simple. Send me a DM, we'll talk about it. I'll tell you how much I charge. And I don't work with a lot of business owners. I work with only 2 business owners a month. And that's because I have my own business that I'm running on the side. So I don't really have the time to start, attending to a lot of business owners. And you must have a good budget. You must have your advertising budget. This is one of my campaigns I ran around last year. Over 200,000 I spent in like a few days, right? Because I'm getting my money back. So I'm not just running ads for people. I run ads for my business as well. I'm a member of the International Facebook Leaders Network across the world. In fact, if you look here, you're going to see that Facebook gives me personal guide, personal help on Facebook ads. So I'm up to that level. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you need any help with your Facebook advertising campaigns, this is me over here as well. Just send me a DM. The budget, make sure you have a budget that you want to spend, and then when you send me a message, I'm going to tell you how much I charge for. I have my own service charge. You're going to pay your budget for your ads yourself. So just send me a message, and then we can actually get to talk about how I can help you do this. There's a lot of testimonials from people who have worked with me, who have bought my training programs, my books, and the likes of them. Do you understand? So if you're really serious about this thing, just send me a message and we can talk about it. Now, I'm going to need a favor from you, right? Now, I know you might not have experienced this before. And if you look here, you're going to see that I spent over 880,000 naira on Facebook ads. That's to tell you that I'm not out here making mouth or making noise. I spend the money on ads. Do you understand? I spend the money on what? Ads on my own business. Do you understand? So I don't just talk about it, I do it. Do you understand? So if you found value in this video, right, before you tell me that you want to work with me and you want to do that, please send me your testimonial. Do you understand? Just send me a testimonial on Instagram telling me you learned something, that you gained something, even if it's one thing that you gained. Please help me do that, right? It's going to actually help my own brand as well, right? Obviously, I'm making money, but I'm also going to be able to make more money if you do that. Just help me make a testimonial, do you understand, and send it to me on Instagram at Paddy Ransom, and I will really appreciate that. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that is it. That is it. There's really nothing else to do. This is me again. See how fresh I am. My skin. I take care of my skin. Yes. So you know that you want to be able to, sell products to people who can afford your services and all that. Just send me a DM and let's talk about it, right? And if you've learned something you can implement in your business today, go and do it immediately and start making the sale. My name is Paddy. Thank you very much for watching this short training. I know it was not supposed to be this long. This is like 20 minutes. So, oh yeah, go and start making money. Okay, that's how to do it. Now don't forget to send your testimonial to me, except you are not thankful, except you did not learn anything. If you didn't learn anything, no problem, but if you learned something today that is going to move your career to the next level, your business to the next level, so you can start selling plenty, please just send me a testimonial so I can screenshot it and show other people that yes, I know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, I wish you the very best. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know what you learned from this. Let me know how you're going to implement this in your business. Let me know how you're going to start implementing the secret strategies I just revealed to you. Let me know how you're going to start making sales. Do you understand? So send me your testimonials. I'm waiting for you. Thank you very much. Take it easy. Have a very wonderful time. All right. Bye-bye.